Hey guys, welcome to another motor vlogs, or another vlog here. So this is a new shop that opened up in my area. This is a 24-hour self-serve gyoza shop. Do you guys like gyoza? So basically there's no staff here. And there's a refrigerator here, so just open the door and check it out. They give you directions. There's no staff, so you just put the money in here. Step 1 says there's a camera watching. There's a camera. So let's watch the directions. Gyoza kagetsu.
無人販売所です。これから購入の流れをご説明いたします。アルコール消毒にご協力ください。ポンプに手を添えて足でペダルを踏むとアルコールが出てきます。指先までよくすり合わせて消毒してください。冷蔵庫から餃子を取り出してください。36個入りで1000円です。2包みで2000円です。お好みで餃子のタレや保冷バッグも購入できます。商品を取り出した後は扉をきちんと閉めてください。手提げ袋が必要な方はご利用ください。次にお支払い方法です。料金箱にお金をお入れください。箱の中にお金がきちんと入ったかご確認ください。お釣りは出ませんのでご注意ください。購入の流れは以上になります。ありがとうございました。
Okay guys, what do you think? So let's do the alcohol. Alright, these are our hands. Okay. And it says here, so it's a plus 100 yen for a bag. Yeah, these looks like these are free. Okay, let's get the directions here. I'll go home and cook them up. And it looks like for some sauce is another 100 yen. Good, let's do it. So guys, what do you think? You think this will work in America? You just come in, grab your food, and they trust you to put the money in, huh? Yeah, I don't think... Now it's popular, it's a smash and grab, right? They'd come smash and grab all the gyozas and take the money box as well, right? Well, anyways, now we'll go home and cook them up and see how they come out. All right. Okay, what's up, guys? We're going to make gyoza. So what you want to do is put 30 cc's of oil and heat it up. Okay, let's get that around the pan there. Put on medium heat. Then go ahead and add your gyozas. And make sure they don't touch because they'll stick together. And just spread them out. You want to get that nice golden color on the bottom side. So some of them might touch, can't be helped, but do your best, leave a little space. Okay, so we're letting these cook. Get the oil around. Okay, then you want to prepare 100 cc's of hot water. Okay, that's gonna steam them there. Okay, you have 100 cc's, which is half a cup. seconds, alright? Okay. Okay, so let's see. Find the pan. Okay, just fry those up till they get nice and golden. See, they start to stick together. Keep that little space. So you can see this one's probably going to open up. But they're not very hot. Go ahead and touch them. Okay, separate this. Okay. There's nothing worse is when you go for a gyoza and then stick together and it just breaks apart. So it's kind of tricky. But I want to get that oil all evenly distributed with a nice color. So go ahead and separate them again. Oh, that's a nice color. So obviously the ones in the middle are going to turn golden before the ones on the outside. Oh, that looks pretty good. Looking like a nice golden gyoza. Okay, so I got nice separation. It's important. Okay, so just about time to add the hot water when you have the color you want. Like this. Nice. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, let's add the hot water. Hot water. 100 mils. We're gonna let that steam up. And then it says go ahead and cover. I'll go ahead and drop the heat. Okay, and that's 4 to 5 minutes. So this is go 5. We'll come back and check it. Oops, keep going over. Okay, we'll come back and check them in 5 minutes. Okay, that's 5 minutes. Take off the lid. Okay, oh boy. Go ahead and try one. Okay. So here it is, right from the frying pan. Put that in your sauce. hot, so give it a blow, right? Here we go. Final answer. Oh. Hot. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay, you're gonna like that. If you like gyoza, you're gonna like these. So, highly recommended, guys. Alright, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.